How to remove verification required in Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you're seeing verification required in your Google Play Store. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you see such kind of error, then that means Google needs confirmation for the purchase or any account activity. So in order to fix it, first of all, update or verify your payment information. If you have tried to download a paid application or made in-application purchase, then Google may require payment verification. So for that, open up Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Head towards the payment method. Once you're on this interface, now you can add, update or remove your payment method and check if that helped you or not. If that does not help you, then you have to disable your purchase verification prompt. If you want to turn off the prompt for every purchase, open up Google Play Store again. So once you're onto the Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right. From here, now you have to head towards the settings option. Under settings, you will have purchase verification here. Now from here, you can turn off the verification. Here it says verification frequency. Tap on it and here now you can select never, or you can go with the every 30 minutes in order to reduce your frequency. Then tap on OK. Now this will turn off the prompt for every purchase from the Google Play Store. If that still does not help you, then you can clear cache and data of the Play Store. Sometimes the cached data causes glitches like constant verification prompt. So for that, navigate to the Google Play Store application in your device, tap and hold in it, tap on app info. Once you're here, tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. After you do that, refresh your device, also restart the application, and that will help you fix your problem. If not, then check for the Play Store updates. Sometimes the outdated application can trigger error, so update your Google Play services in that case. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.